All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I'm going to be doing a WordRocket update for you. So they've done a lot of updates to the software. You love to see it, right? I just got an email from Avi that I can actually try out. It's early bird. I mean, it's basically a new feature that they haven't launched yet, but he wants me to try it out. I can demo it in front of you. You can also go and pick up the software and you'll have access to it very soon, probably within the next week or two. But I'm going to be demoing automation, setting up my first automation where it will automatically find keywords and write content all on a schedule. So I'm excited to demo that for you today. And then they're working on building out the Ghost and other content management system integrations. Now they have their own WordPress plugin that they've just recently updated as well. But I told them that, hey, Ghost is a up and coming, pretty popular like WordPress alternative, a content management system that is one of my sites is hosted on. So they're integrating that almost just because I asked for it, right? So I love to see that with developers where they're solving customers. That's going to cost him and his team a lot of money and time, and for them to add features that future customers are probably going to be looking for, and just respecting their current customers' feedback and trying to, within reason, add as much as they can to improve the software. So super, super cool. When you log into WordRocket right now, and remember, you can go and pick this up. I'll have a link below. And if you go, you sign up for a free account. And then after that, if you upgrade to one of the plans, you're going to get $50 off with my link below. So this is a lifetime deal. The way I like to describe it is that you're buying the vehicle, right? You're going to need an open router API key, which just costs $10. And then you just copy it. It's the easiest API key to get, by the way. You copy that and then you paste it in here and then you're ready to go. So you're paying WordRocket lifetime deal right now. I don't know how much longer it's going to be a lifetime deal offer, but this is the time to get it. And you're basically buying a vehicle, right? But then you're still going to need the gasoline and the energy to make that vehicle go. And that's where the open router API key is. So it's a great system. So when you log in, what's new in WordRocket? They've been busy making their content creation even better. So smart internal linking. So we've completely rebuilt the internal linking system for better, more relevant links. I already thought it was good. So if they've improved it even more, that's awesome. Page titles are now fetched from your sitemap for smarter context aware matching. New keyword-based relevant score matching topics to your existing content and action required. Resubmit your sitemaps in settings to enable title-based linking. There's another really cool thing that they've added as well. The WordPress Gutenberg support. Updated WordPress plugin now works seamlessly with the block editor, which is awesome. HTML content now renders correctly in Gutenberg. No more raw code. Update to plugin version 2.2.0 to enable this feature. Download the latest plugin from settings WordPress. Okay. And then finally, manual URL support. So I was having problems with my sitemap because I'm on SiteGround hosting and I need to reach out to SiteGround so they can approve and do some things. And I just don't have the time for that right now. So they've added in this feature as well. I didn't ask for them to, but they've just kind of solved it for people that are having issues. I probably wasn't the only one having issues with the sitemap connecting. So you can just manually do a URL import. Having trouble with sitemap scraping, now you can add URLs manually. So you can just go get your sitemap and maybe update it every 2 weeks or a month and just paste in those URLs. So you can paste your URLs manually if your sitemap is blocked by security plugins. It works with any URL list. Just paste and import, add URLs manually under each sitemap collection. So they are just continuing to make this an amazing, insane AI writing tool and SEO tool. So, and then there you get full transparency of what's going on with the software, when it's offline, when it's having issues, right? So issue resolve, we've identified and fixed the issue causing recent errors. Everything should be back to normal. If you still experience any problems, please reach out. This is a company that cares about their customers. They're letting you know if there's an issue and they're letting you know, hey, we're not hiding. We're not trying to just get money and then not fix our software. We care about our customers and they are, all over it. You can get to customer support within here. Need help, support. There's an email right there. And then they also have their support right there. I'm going to go ahead and close that. WordPress integration update. If you're experiencing any issues with your WordPress integration, download the latest plugin right there. All right, so let's go over here to just the sitemap. I want to go over here and go into the settings, I believe, and go into sitemaps. and we can go in here and add sitemap collection, and then we can go, so we could go and add right over here. So apparently when you have something that is not working and you get an error, you can add manually your URLs. You're just going to paste them in right there and import. That is super, super cool. All right. But what I want to show you in this one is like the new one, right? So we're going to go over here, and this is going to be available at some point. This is not live or available, but it's just on my account because I'm working closely with Avi and his team. But this is going to be a feature that is going to be rolled out to everybody very soon. And this is automations. He wanted me to check it out, so I figured I'd just do it live for the first time on camera. So content automations, how it works, we can click over here. It looks like there's a video right here. So I'm actually going to go and take a look at that, and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So I watched that 10-minute video, really, really in depth, really awesome. So it's in beta right now. I have beta access, but this will be available very, very soon. So let's go and get a automation. But what I actually need to do, I do want to go in here and go into the settings and go into Sitemap. So I only have one site that I could test about this. So Sitemap. And then this tool I use all the time, it's SEO Mater. You're going to put in your site right here, and you're going to say submit, and then it's going to give you your all your sitemaps on your site. We have this one right over here. All right, cool. So what I did was I went over there, and I actually wasn't able to. You click on here. I'm trying to get all the list of all my URLs, even in Search Console, not working. But we can go over here to our actual sitemap and grab all the information over here, and then we can just go to ChatGPT and put in a prompt right over here like this, just extract only the URLs for my site's sitemap and provide it on numbers list right here. I just pasted that whole thing in, and then here are all of the links right here that we can go with. So this is really great. So what I'll do is I'll just grab this, all the URLs right there, and we will copy that. We have all the, and then we'll go back into WordRocket, and then we can go into sitemaps, and we can go down here into the sitemap that's having issues, and we'll come in here and we will paste that list in right here. 134 valid URLs detected, and import those. I'm going to push the button right there, and those are all imported. So now we have, I just love that they provided a manual fix, which is, it just took an extra 3 minutes, but it's so good. So now we're going to go in, and I'm going to go and find automations. And then this is going to take us to the automations page. I just know the URL. I'm going to block that out because I don't want to give everybody else access to that without it being off of beta. So we'll come over here, we'll go create our first automation, and you're going to get this page right here, automation names. This will be, realistic pay. And then it will also be a keyword that I'm going to go after on this automation is going to be online course monetization. So I'm going to go ahead and just stick that in right there. The niche topic is going to be that. Subtopics are optional. I'm going to just leave that. I don't know if we need, that's optional. Okay, so online course monetization, and then we can exclude topics as well. I'm going to go like this, and then we can go with weekly, we can go with twice weekly or daily. So let's just go with daily for now. Let's go with what time do we want right here. We'll just stick with that. That's fine. Actually, you know what? I want to change that just to something that's different. We'll go with 8 right there. And then articles per run. So how many articles to generate each time the automation runs? I only want it to just generate 1 article. Then we're going to go next. The AI model, we can select from Open Router. I'm going to go with 4.5. I want the best, right? Brand voice, no brand voice. Yeah, we want realistic pay. We want professional. I'm going to go with casual. Word count 1,500. I'm going to stick right at like 1,600 word post. Web research is on. Include images. Yes, include images per article 3. And then internal linking. You're going to select your sitemap and you're going to go next. This is awesome. This is so awesome. This is actually the easiest automation I've ever set up in an AI writing tool like this. Avi and his team is doing a great job so far. Publishing mode, suggest only topics await your approval. Auto draft. I'm going to go with auto publish. This is kind of a throwaway site. Now, please select a WordPress site below, and we have our site is already connected. This is kind of a throwaway site, test site anyway, so I really don't care. It's not getting any traffic or rankings anyway, so you may as well just kind of do this, right? And let's just do, we have this all set up, your summary right over here, and then create automation right here. And then you're going to activate this, right? And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and, because it's already past this time, it wouldn't actually run for 22 hours, but we can actually run it now, and it should run for at least, get it going right now for us. So I'll push pause and we'll come right back. Now, the only thing that I didn't see that Avi will be watching this video is that I didn't see like this topic, I didn't see like the ability to choose the category. like, right? So when we publish these on our site, we're going to need to put that in a category on our website. I didn't see the ability to do that. And so I'll let Avi know in my email that like this looks great and everything, but we're probably going to want to at least have the ability to put it in a certain category on the site as one of the options. So it will select the category correctly. But other than that, it looks really, really cool. So here are the topics. Just like that, it already found topics for us based on our site, based on our site map. And these are because of the selection that we said we want auto approval. It means that it's going to approve all of these, right? And it's actually published one. So how to implement AI-driven pricing strategies. We can go and view this. It says it's been published. We'll go and take a look at that. Let's look at some of the topics right here. I would like to be able to kind of move this over so we can see the full topic. But business and marketing skills courses, building a profitable fitness and wellness course, from information to implementation, why 2026, blah, blah, blah. Subscription pricing mastery, value ladder. So it really is kind of diving really in depth. Launch your first course with 500 subscribers. Pretty good stuff, right? Let's go and view this in WordRocket and see what this looks like with us real quick. And it's still generating the content right now. We'll be right back. Okay, so we have the article right here. So published to WordPress, but I think we're going to go and take a look and see if it already published or not. But you have all your options right there. We have our H1 tag, how to implement AI-driven pricing strategies for online courses in 2026 to hit 100K revenue. Let's cut the BS right now. You've got a course, maybe it's sitting there at 997, blah, blah, blah. Key takeaways. The only thing I'm seeing right here is issues with the image creation. We do have the images down here. We have a great cover image right there, blog image. We have our SEO metadata, and the images did come through right there. No problem. We'll see if they went over to the website automatically. Real Talk Online, affiliate marketing, and you can see down here when I hover over an internal link, affiliate marketing, how to set it up step by step. Learn more, how to monetize an email list, and this right here, learn how to monetize an email list. So really good stuff, affiliate marketing strategies, and then you have the how to do affiliate marketing strategies with requires zero audience. So we got some really good internal links throughout the article as well. Oh, okay. So it just wasn't done processed. So we got the images. They're all inside of to make it just a more engaging, really good images right over there as well. So that's what you're going to get. I'm going to go over to the website now and let's go see if this actually came over or not. How to implement AI-driven pricing strategies. It just got published February 26th. And it is February 26th right now. So it literally published automatically to my site. That is golden. We can come in here and we can see, I don't know what happened to the author right there. I don't know what I did to my website or whatever. What's going on with my website? That is super weird. I'm gonna have to go and take a look at that. But how to implement AI-driven pricing strategies. And I know some of you asked, why is this all caps? That's just my theme settings I probably need to fix or something like that. But here is what it's going to look like. Right here. This is a plugin I have from AppSumo. It adds more internal links as well. Splits up the content and makes it look like you have images as well. I really like that as well. So there's your content. A little worried that it's a long content, so it does automatically put the references in there. I think that's really good and credible. And the meta part the metadata part is not copied over, so that's great as well. And then what I want to do, I just want to go and see what the word count is on this. And it's a 3,000 word article. So that's just one kind of feedback as well. Like I selected 1,600 words and it's creating twice that. It's creating 3,000 word article. So we need to dial it in a little bit more. That would be some feedback that I would give Avi as well. But those are the only two feedbacks that I have. I want to go in here and now log into the site. This part right here, online course creation, it just went ahead and popped it in there. You can see that it popped it in online course creation and how to implement AI driven. So, that URL is just way too long. That URL slug is way too long, but if you're having an automated website, you kind of can't complain about that. But I would like it to, for example, if I go in here to realistic pay, just log in real quick. I'm going to go and log into the site and take a look at what this looks like on the back end real quick. I'm going to go into posts, all posts, and then we'll go in and we'll go into the one that was just published right here. So we'll go and edit this real quick. And, I would want to go and put this in a different category. The slug needs some work as well. Pricing and monetization would be the better way to go about this. So I would actually select that. So again, I would love to be able to switch this because I want all these articles that are going out right now to be about monetization and pricing. And then when we come down here, I want to look at what it did with the data down here. I'm not sure about this part right here. It seems like it gets cut off. So Avi, if you're watching this as well, so how to implement AI-driven pricing strategies for online, boom, and it just kind of stops. And I've kind of noticed this using the tool that it just kind of stops right there. So that's a little bit of a concern. And then the meta description right here, that Jeff definitely is not coming over correctly right here. It says professional landscape hero image is coming over as the meta. And what we really are looking for on this article, obviously, is we need to come down here and grab the metadata that's down here. And this is actually the metadata. So for whatever reason, tell the development team that it's getting cut off down here. We need this to be, see how it's getting cut off right here? We need this to be completely right there. So actually, that's not even what was being extracted. That's not what's being extracted. This SEO title and description, this is not coming over. This is not getting copied over. So look into that. This needs to copied, and then this meta right here. And so this automation needs fixed, because you can see right here, the metadata is, the meta description is not coming over correctly as well. So I'm having to paste that in. The full automation of this, those two things need fixed before this will be full blown ready to go. But other than that, that's the only couple of little things that need fixed. I'm going to go ahead and save that. This is WordRocket, the automation feature that's coming out. Super, super impressed with this. Go pick up WordRocket right now while it's on LTD. First link below, you get $50 off to sign up for a free account, upgrade your account, and you will actually get a $50 off, and it's a one-time fee. I have not raved about an AI writer since Koala, Agility Writer, and SEO Writing.ai. And you guys can go back and look at all my videos. I just have not been excited about AI writers the last probably 18 to 24 months. This is the first tool that really, really checks all those boxes. And the fact that he just continues to add stuff to this is just incredible. So that's what I got for you. Link below. Go pick this up. I'll see you in the next video.